Even from the parking lot, you can tell the shrimp run is on. I can see them tossing nets in a frenzy to get their share of the delicious shrimps. Alright, let's go see what's happening. Alright, pier is loaded with people throwing nets. Question is, are they getting any shrimp? Well, you know what the best way is to find out if the shrimp are running? Let's walk out on the pier and find out. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Those nets are flying like a kung fu fist fight. Bet they're getting some shrimp. There's a nice fat little mullet. Wouldn't you like to see that on your hook and send it down for bait? Righteous. So the Green Cove Springs Shrimp Run should be pretty strong this year. Hasn't really fired up yet, or this place would be totally packed. Still, the people are getting a nice free meal. I can just see those shrimp on the Barbie now. Little butter and garlic to dip them in. Doesn't get much better than that, does it? I can get the shrimp over by the slip where I live, right off the seawall. There's a lot less competition, but it seems like they get more of them here. Perhaps it's the chumming. They use their own special blend. I think it's just cat food and dog food, but they claim to mix it with all kinds of strange things. I know they do mix it with clay so it helps sink and stay on the bottom. From the looks of some of these buckets, as I head further down the pier, it would seem to me that the people who are chumming are catching a lot more shrimp than the ones who are not chumming. From what I can tell, the buckets seem to be a lot fuller in the areas where they are chumming. So they're still getting them. Not a lot of people, not a lot of shrimp. They're still free and they're still getting them. Don't forget to try the new Super Thanks button. It's YouTube's new tip jar. Give it a try. It should replace commercials if everybody pays attention to it. Thanks for watching, everybody, and subscribe if you haven't already.